Let's divide 220 by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an exciting math quest. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We'll start with the first digit of 220, which is 2. We're using just this digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits exactly 1 time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2, perfect. Now we subtract 2 from 2, which leaves us with 0, easy peasy. You're doing fantastic, that first step is complete. Now let's bring down the next digit to continue our quest. Here we go with the next step. We bring down the next digit, which is 2, so now we have 20. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits exactly 1 time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2, we got it. Subtract 2 from 2 and we have 0 left, awesome. You're on a roll, keep up the amazing work. Time to bring down the last digit and finish this up. Last step, here we come. We bring down the last digit 0, now we have 0. How many times does 2 fit into 0? It fits 0 times. Let's check 0 times 2 is 0, exactly right. Subtract 0 from 0 and we have 0 left, we're done. You did it, you conquered the division problems. And that's the end of our division journey for 220 divided by 2. We found that 220 divided by 2 equals 110. Great job, everyone! We successfully divided 220 by 2, learning how each digit plays a role in the final answer. Remember, practice makes perfect, and you're all doing amazing. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out our other videos for more math adventures.